Today, we're sharing how to make the bacon avocado and pork banh mi by Avocados from Mexico. Start with half of a toasted bolillo. Spread on a layer of avocado roasted garlic aioli using your avocado tool. Next, sprinkle on a bed of fresh cabbage slaw. Now we place 3 strips of crispy, crinkled bacon across the top. Cover this with a generous layer of roasted pulled pork. Then drizzle hoisin sauce across the top. Next, we add shredded carrots for a crunch. And a layer of fresh cucumber slices. Sprinkle fresh cilantro across the top. Then add a layer of pickled sweet and sour avocado. Drizzle avocado sriracha sauce evenly across the top. And finish it all off with the top half of the toasted baguette. Now you're ready to serve the bacon, avocado, and pork banh mi by Avocados from Mexico.
Avocados from Mexico.